Welcome back to the channel. Today's a big day. We're gonna go over to Brian's shop, we're gonna grab his trailer, and we're gonna lower the Supra onto the trailer so that we can take it to his place for blasting and eventually paint.
Ooh.
Oh, that is so fucking close. Holy shit.
Ooh. Tight like a tiger.
You're clear.
Dude, you barely made it, dude.
Did you record that?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Holy shit, boys.
Very nice.
Fucking got it, dude.
High five.
Like I said, I was talking to Brian earlier today, and Brian's like, well, what's your garage measurement? And I was like, I don't know. Kara says it's like 100 inches. And he's like, 100 inches? How the hell are you going to get this out? What, you didn't plan this? Not really.
Well, now he's got video to show how we did it.
Holy fuck.
There she is on the trailer. Ready for paint.
So you don't think it's ever been in an accident?
No, I don't think so. I guarantee it.
What about the quarters? Do you think we're going to find a surprise?
No. Yeah, surprised that they're clean.
So we're just going to blast this thing and it's going to be freaking mint.
Right.
You think so?
Yeah.
Boy, wouldn't that be a treat?
Then we're just paint this motherfucker. There's these black things right here.
Yeah. That hold the...
Yeah, but is this plastic? It's like a plastic
Oh, the
retainer.
drains?
Right, and I think the front screws are out on the front.
Yeah, I think these drains got to come out. Because, so those have the holes, then they go back for when the target drains water.
Oh, no shit, huh?
Yeah, see the hole? Look at the hole right here.
Yeah, where's the water go?
Goes all the way down inside of this,
Huh?
to the wheel well. And then the front goes through the front, behind, like snakes behind the dash, and dumps out after the wheel.
Okay. Oh, so there's a hose up in there.
Yeah, there's a hose.
So those got to come off. All these clips we got off. We got that off, the wiring out of here, the clips off of there.
Off of the rear hatch?
Yep.
Okay.
And everything is in bags. And then I went through here and just kind of grabbed, there was a clip under here, a clip over there, and then some clips across here.
Yeah.
There was one here. That one's broke, so we can throw that away. But,
Okay.
oh, here's the hose you're talking about. Okay, now I see it.
They come out with that plastic. The hose will come out.
Gotcha. So it'll come out like this.
Right.
Okay. Easy. Yeah, I can't wait to get it blasted tomorrow, dude.
You think it's clean, huh?
It's gonna be fucking mint. It's really gonna be nice.
Yeah, I don't think there's any filler on these quarter panels. I think the only filler was right here,
Yeah, which is nothing.
and I think it's because it was vandalized. I think somebody smacked that with a bat to try to break into this car, because that door, this driver's door, is full of glass.
This one is?
Yeah, I took most of it out.
Yeah, I mean, like this is,
That dropped.
this got a little dent here.
Yeah.
But, you know, we'll have to put that back on. Oh, so, I need hinge bolts for the doors
Okay.
and some miscellaneous bolts for like fenders and stuff so we can bolt shit back together.
Oh, the
We
car?
want to make sure all the
So
lines
doing
and
the
shit are
body
there.
work for the fenders, the hood.
And we want to make sure, you know,
Fine.
that, you know, like,
All right.
you know what I mean, that the shit's right.
Yeah, so then I'll get all the bolts for the fenders.
Yeah.
I'll get the bolts for the doors. The door hinges I
Are
took
the
off.
hinges on the door?
I took them off.
Okay, so they're off.
So we could get them blasted.
Yeah, so we need those.
And then if you want, I could send the hinges to get blasted by Bob, unless you want to have him blast those little small hinges.
Bob can throw in his
Say
little
right
thing.
next door.
Yeah, I'll just have Bob do it. And then the crash bar and everything, I'm going to have Bob sandblast and powder coat white.
What's the crash bar?
The rear.
back. Okay, I got you.
And then I have to have somebody make a front one, because I don't have the front one.
Why'd they take it off?
No clue. There's a big intercooler in there, but it was like pull locked together with, they used pipe clamps for electrical.
Nice.
Yeah, it was sweet, dude. It was mint. I saved it. I'm gonna powder coat it and reuse them. It fits on the rotisserie real nice.
Yeah, we just have to get it, you know, this point. See this point here? This point has to be in the center
Okay, so you gotta drop it.
so it'll spin smoothly. Because right now, I mean, it turns,
Ooh, dude, that's cool.
but it, you can tell it's not like balanced.
Yeah, right,
So
right.
you gotta get it so you can almost like a wheel.
Effortlessly.
Yeah,
Like a wheel.
and once you get to the middle, it doesn't. Oh, I see. You gotta raise the car up.
Yeah. This is the pin that holds it. And then, that's what I mean, we just gotta adjust it. So Logan will be back in a little while. I'm gonna jack it up and get it to where it's good.
I'm super pumped that you said this thing's that clean.
Oh my God.
I think it's super nice.
I like it. I think his reaction is much better.
Zoom in on these.
He's like, "Oh man, this is such a nice
We're gonna
car."
sell these. We're gonna sell these.
Yeah, we're gonna sell them. They're for Supras.
Supra to connect to the rotisserie.
Yeah.
So we got this, and then we made some for the back that just go into existing holes, so they don't have to weld nothing or,
Oh shoot, nice.
you know. So I think that's good. I don't think you need. Don't you think?
Yeah, I think it's perfect.
I think that's good.
How are we gonna protect the brand new rotisserie from the blaster?
I have a car cover over there. I'm gonna cut it in half, an old car cover, and I'm gonna just wrap it around it. And then when he's done, throw it away. Because I don't care about the bottom part, but this part,
Yeah.
you know, we don't want to get the sand in the bearings and the fucking,
No.
Oh my God, you know.
No.
But we'll just wrap it up the best we can wrap it up, and it is what it is. It's a fucking rotisserie. You know what I mean?
It's much nicer than the other rotisserie. That thing's for $800. That thing's mint.
Dude. So that's what I mean. So like we got to get a couple of these clips out yet, and a couple other little miscellaneous shit, but which we got to get all.
And then we're gonna detach the hatch from the actual car to
Yeah.
get it blasted.
Yeah. Everything's done. It's just ready to pop off. So
I'm pumped for tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't rain.
Logan said it's not supposed to rain.
I'm pumped, dude. I can't wait to see this thing bare.
It's gonna look fucking awesome.
Yeah, and I can't wait to see, like, dude, think about it. He's gonna blast the entire underside, so all the undercoating's coming off. He's gonna blast the entire inside. Every single piece of this car is getting blasted. Dude, it's gonna look like brand new.
Better.
Super excited that Brian has such a good outlook on the car. He thinks the body's gonna be super clean by the time it's done being blasted, and there's gonna be minimal to no body repairs, which would be nice. So as always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.